I created a YouTube channel using the power of artificial intelligence, and I'm already making money from it. The problem is that YouTube AdSense revenue doesn't fully utilize the channel's monetization potential. But what if I told you there's an additional way to make money? By combining YouTube with the Skool platform, you can not only create content, but also build courses that generate a steady income. Let's take a look at this language learning channel. It has built a significant subscriber base, but isn't selling any products. According to Social Blade, it makes anywhere from $250 to $4,000 a month from ads. Let's assume the average income is around $2,000. Now let's see what's possible with Skool. A guy who teaches Spanish built a community of 1.8 thousand people, and each person pays $15 per month to join. That gives him a revenue of $27,000 per month. As you can see, earnings on Skool can be much higher than just from YouTube ads. Now I'll show you step by step how to create such a channel, build a course on Skool, and start earning money. We'll use artificial intelligence to simplify the entire process. Let's assume we are creating a Spanish course for English speakers. Our goal will be to create dialogues that help learners master the most common everyday phrases at an intermediate level. 1. Creating a YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and click your profile in the top right corner. Select Switch Account and then Manage All Accounts. Click Create a Channel, enter your channel name, and click I understand. If you're unsure of a channel name, you can use ChatGPT by entering a prompt like, suggest 10 channel name ideas for teaching Spanish. 2. Customizing your channel. After creating the channel, go to Customize Channel and click on Basic Info. You can return to ChatGPT to generate a channel description. Just copy it and paste it into the description field. Adding emojis can make the text more engaging. 3. Creating a logo. Use Leonardo AI to create your logo. Ask ChatGPT for a prompt, like create a prompt for Leonardo.ai to generate a logo for a Spanish learning channel. Request a design in a specific style or color scheme that makes the channel stand out. Set the image dimensions to 800 by 800 pixels, which is the optimal format for a YouTube logo. Download the image, then go to the Customize section on YouTube and upload your logo. 5. Creating a banner. Use Canva to create your banner. Choose the option to design a YouTube banner. To maintain the correct proportions, press Shift+R to reveal guidelines. Place the vertical lines at 507 pixels and 2053 pixels, and horizontal lines at 508 pixels and 932 pixels to define the visible area on mobile devices. Add text like, Learn Spanish with me, using Canva's tools. Download the completed banner and upload it to your YouTube channel in the Customize Channel section. 6. Creating video content. Now let's move on to creating videos. You can use artificial intelligence to generate scripts, voiceovers, and automate the editing process. This will save you time and allow you to focus on delivering valuable content to your audience. We will use ChatGPT to assist us by entering a simple command. Create 10 examples of conversations in both English and Spanish, featuring common everyday phrases at an intermediate level. ChatGPT needs a few seconds to generate a response to the command we gave it. This way, we can generate any content based on our needs. Now we'll turn our script into narration using a text-to-speech tool. To do this, copy the script generated in ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. It's best not to generate more than 500 characters at a time, as it may not sound as good. You can listen to the available voice options and choose the one that best fits the tone of your video. Once you've chosen the voice type, click Generate, and within a few seconds, your narration will be ready. Next step is create our avatar, and for that, we'll use Leonardo AI. First, go to the image creation section and set the image dimensions to 16 by 9 with the maximum resolution. This aspect ratio is ideal for YouTube videos and gives you plenty of space to work with during editing. Use the generation model that best suits this type of avatar. Then use the appropriate tool for generating photorealistic images. Now paste the prepared prompt, which you'll find in the description, into the designated field and click Generate. You may need to generate several versions to get the effect you like best. Once we have the avatar ready, it's time to bring it to life using the voice. This is a key step, as the narration will make the avatar more engaging for viewers. We will use VidNaz. Upload the avatar image by clicking on the Photo Avatar option, then select the previously generated image. Once the graphic is uploaded, it's time to add the narration. In the script section, click on the icon to upload the audio file. Tool will automatically sync the avatar's lip movements with the voice. creating a natural speaking effect. After setting all the elements, click Submit. The system will process your video in a few minutes, so be patient. Once finished, you'll have a fully animated avatar that not only looks realistic, but also speaks using the pre-generated voice. Export the video and open it in CapCut, a video editing program. There, you can use the mask tool to crop the avatar's background or adjust its placement to fit your video. You can position the avatar in a corner of the screen or overlay it on a background image, depending on what works best for your video. To add an engaging background, use stock materials from the editing program under the Import Stock Materials tab and choose what fits the theme. Then use the subtitle button to automatically generate captions. For this type of video, background music isn't necessary, as viewers are primarily focused on learning pronunciation, and it's important for them to concentrate on listening. Let's take a look at our tutorial created using artificial intelligence.
Making plans. Would you like to go to the movies this weekend? ¿Te gustaría ir al cine este fin de semana? Discussing hobbies. In my free time, I love painting and reading books. What about you? En mi tiempo libre, me encanta pintar y leer libros. ¿Y tú? Talking about work. I've been working on a new project at the office. It's quite challenging, but I'm learning a lot. He estado trabajando en un nuevo proyecto en la oficina. Es bastante desafiante, pero estoy aprendiendo mucho. Describing a trip. Last summer, I traveled to Spain. The food and culture were amazing. El verano pasado, viajé a España. La comida y la cultura fueron increíbles.
Video exporting step by step. To begin exporting, click Export and choose the 4K resolution. Once the video is on your computer, open YouTube Studio. Click Create, select the video you want to upload, and fill out the necessary details such as the title, description, and SEO keywords. For the best results, research the competition and get inspiration from a popular video title to increase your chances of getting views. To find the most effective tags, use the VidiQ plugin. It's free and help tags used by successful competing videos. Copy these and paste them into your own video. Since your content isn't altered, choose Is Not Altered. Additionally, ensure you select Not Made for Kids and then publish your video. Steps to create a platform on Skool. Sign up on Skool.com, register, and create an account with your email and password. Once logged in, click Create a Group and name it based on your niche or topic. Customize the settings by adding a logo, group description, and setting member rules. In the Courses section, you can create course modules and add educational materials. Invite members by sending invites or sharing a link to grow your community. Once everything is set up, start posting content and managing your community. AI, you can simplify content production, automate tasks, and quickly scale your efforts. I'd like to show how to build a profitable course step by step using modern AI tools. Leave a comment with your thoughts on this way of earning.